Hello and welcome to the presentation of the add-in Opti. What is add-in? It is an Excel add-in that allows you to perform data analysis directly in Excel with AI-based interpretation. It is fully compatible with Kobo, Odeka, make it especially practical for survey and field data analysis. In this demonstration, I just select the cross-tabulation mode. This feature allows data to be disaggregated according to a reference column. In this case, I choose the villages. I then applied it across the entire dataset so that all the results are broken down by village. Opti also supports databases with multiple choices questions, which is common with Kobo and Odeka dataset. These are properly recognized and processed by the add-in. One of the key strengths of ARI it is the AI interpretation. For every table, it automatically generates explanatory text, a summary of the analysis, and a final comprehensive report. We will see that just after. To make it possible, the user can provide both of the context of the analysis and the orientation of the study. For recurring analysis, such as PGM, post-distribution monitoring that you can do every month, stuff like this, context can be saved and reused without rewriting them each time. In this example, I just choose a multi-sector need assessment, and I ask the AI to generate a project proposal with a budget. Opti supports more than 120 languages for both understanding and reporting. This means that if your dataset contains responsive in Kirundi, Swahili, Arabic, or other languages, the tool can interpret them correctly. Furthermore, the final report can be generated in the language of your choice: French, English, Arabic, Kirundi, Swahili, and more. What do you want? For this demonstration, I just select English, as you can see. The entire analysis took about 3 minutes and a half, as you can see. It will just finish really soon. The results include automatically generated Excel table containing formulas, ensuring 100% reliability. The next here you can see the next to each table, an AI generated interpretation highlight the most important insights. For example, a survey question such "Do you treat weather?" is accompanied by a contextual explanation. Multilanguage responses are also translated. As you can see, we have some question in Arabic. It translates like in electricity. Each section provides a clear overview by a general synthesis. At the end, we will see that at the end of the pages, and you can see here the synthesis. It highlight important information such as 95% of displaced people in COM6. And at the end of the process, Opti generate a Word report automatically saved in your download folder. This document includes AI proposal tailored to the orientation you defined. In this case, I request 12 months project proposal with a budget of 1 million euro. The report present identified needs, justification based on the data set, a draft of a logical framework with specific objective, a set of proposed activity covering the wash, the cash transfer, and more, all related to the data set you provide and the orientation you ask for. You can see as well here is the budget that you can work on it. Importantly, it also integrates a key aspect such as accountability and concludes with a final summary. These are the main features offered by add-in Opti. It is available on Microsoft Store with a free trial version and subscription plans depending on your needs. As an independent consultant, I developed this tool by my own. I would greatly appreciate your support and sharing of this work. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.